Have you ever wondered what you need to do when you have a cracked windshield on a Tesla vehicle? Well, in this video, I'll explain our whole process when getting a Tesla Model 3 windshield replaced. So this is a original equipment manufacturer windshield directly from Tesla. This is the actual windshield that came with the car. So we didn't want a generic windshield. And by default, you usually do get generic windshield when getting windshield replaced, especially through companies like Safelite. You do have to request you want OEM, original equipment manufacturer. It does cost a little bit more, but if you have insurance like we do, the copay or deductible is only $50. It depends on how much your comprehensive coverage are for windshield, and depends on which state you're in. Some state will actually cover windshield replacement 100%, including labor. Now, what is not known is that if you get windshield replaced through a third party, like Safelite, who actually comes to your home, or you can bring it to their shop. So they do have mobile service just like Tesla, but Tesla will not replace windshield through mobile service. You actually have to bring it into the service center, which is inconvenient because they likely will keep your vehicle for the whole day. Now, this technician was at this location to replace the windshield. It took him 2 hours. 1 hour actually spending removing the autopilot camera and installing it. The windshield replacement only took less than an hour. The whole glass itself was held in by glue. And for him to remove the oak glass, I saw him just prying it out. There was really no clips to hold it in. So there are new technology with these adhesive glue that is strong enough to dry up and hold the glass in place after 30 minutes of installation. So with that said, the whole process, again, took 2 hours. And if you were to bring this into Tesla, they would also recalibrate your camera. One thing to note is that if you use a third party, they don't have the equipment to recalibrate your autopilot camera. So after getting your windshield replaced, you can request for a Tesla mobile service to come out and recalibrate your autopilot camera. Now, this only affects the front-facing camera from the windshield. And again, we recommend getting original equipment manufacturer windshield, OEM, because that's been tested with the autopilot camera. So if there's a company that tries to replace it with a generic just to save you some costs, please make sure that they are certified by Tesla, because from our understanding, Tesla has not certified any other glass other than their own to work with their autopilot camera without any issues. So something to keep in mind. Now, if you're paying out of pocket, let's say you have high deductible or you don't have good insurance coverage, these glass can range between $800 to $900. With installation, you're looking at slightly over $1,000 through Tesla. Now, through Safelite, it's likely going to be similar costs. So if you don't have insurance or insurance that will cover, I highly recommend, if you're paying cash, go directly to Tesla service center to have it replaced. So schedule one through the mobile app, through your Tesla app. Now, if you have insurance like we do with Geico, they're actually contracted through with Safelite. So you really don't have to submit any paperwork. All you have to do is submit a claim through their app. And this will be, for most case, other insurance company as well. They usually contract with a glass company where they will pay them directly. And if you owe any deductible, you will pay that company that replaced your glass. So in this case, we had to pay Safelite just $50. We don't have to worry about submitting any claims and waiting up to 90 days to get a check from the insurance company. So really, this is the way to go. If you have a link with your insurance company and the glass company, in most cases, it will be Safelite. They will actually come to you, and we'll do this whether it's in your driveway, at your place of work, or at a place of business, etc., your family house. They will come to you. You just have to set that appointment up. And I was talking to the technician He has worked on a few Tesla. These are fairly new to Safelite, but we did feel comfortable because he has replaced Tesla windshield before, and he did confirm that. And again, it's very similar to any other vehicle front windshield. The only difference is the autopilot camera. You want to make sure that he knows how to remove it and reinstall it. And you want to make sure to schedule an appointment with Tesla to have your camera recalibrated. And what I learned is that insurance company will also pay for that recalibration cost. And Tesla, at least over the last couple of years when we had glass replaced, have been charging a consistent $95 for that service. So you can submit that. So that's really the only two payment you do if you go through your insurance glass company. Just make sure that they are certified to be able to install for a Tesla vehicle, and they're able to get the OEM, the original equipment manufacturer glass from Tesla. And you'll see that at the beginning of the video with the Tesla logo, and it has all the autopilot housing, camera, case, clips on the top where your mirrors are located at. Overall, again, the whole process took 2 hours, really just 1 hour for the glass, and then the other hour for removing and installing the autopilot camera. So I wanted to share this with you all, the experience of replacing a Tesla glass. Now, Safelite only does, I believe, Model S, 3, and Y. I'm not sure if they're able to handle the Model X yet, but our Model X, we had rocks hit it. However, I think the glass is slightly thicker than the 3, Y, and S, so we never had problems having it crack on us before. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. This will be him just installing, and you'll see at the end of the video how he's managed to able to lift up the glass and install it by himself using one suction cup arm to attach to the driver's window, the driver's door window. It's very interesting on the whole process, but very intuitive for a one-person show. Catch you all next time, and remember to subscribe.
Well,